Hello everyone, welcome back for another fabulous Friday idea. Today I'm playing with another download from the Lavender Blue Journal store on Etsy. Link is below. I've chosen this one to use today to play with. So I am pairing it with the Special Moments, Just a Little High from Me stamp set. And I'm using Altenew Teal Cave ink. Pulled this in. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not, but I have it in case I want it. And I have some cardstock to do some layering. This one I will cut down after I put it on there. I don't want to cut it down until I put it on there. So let's get our card made. The first thing I'm going to do is fold my card. Now all of my dimensions are on my blog and the link is below, and you can get the dimensions to make one yourself using your supplies. All right, I'm going to take and print or put this on here. The downloads are easy. I have no problem with them. I download them and then I just take and print it out on a lightweight cardstock that I have, and that's what I use, and it works out perfectly. All right, so there's that. Now this piece goes on next, and I'm going to put it here. I went looking in my stash for paper that matched it. All right, now this one goes on next. Quick and easy cards. I'm going to leave a little bit of space at the bottom. And I cut the back piece, even with this pattern paper to match it. Okay, now to stamp. And I hope I can stamp it straight. All right, let's see. So let me put this down straight. And great, oh, worked. All right, now I'm gonna wave it a little bit so it dries. And then I'm gonna take and I'm gonna put this on here. And I'm going to cut around it. We'll see how it works. I don't know if it's going to or not. Okay, so we'll see. And I'm trying to keep it even. It may not be. I may need to do some more trimming, which is fine if I have to. Let's see. All right. It's a little bit here, a little bit wider here, and a little bit wider down here. All right, a little bit off the bottom and I'm good. And when I say a little bit, I'm cutting like slivers off. Okay. Much better. There we go. All right, I'm going to put this on with dimensionals, which are over here. I ordered some of the ones from scrapbook.com, the bigger, thicker ones. But I haven't opened I've opened the box, but I haven't opened the package yet. I want to see how they compare. All right, and I'm going to put that right there. And then I'm going to put a butterfly here and a butterfly here. And I'm not going to use that one, I don't think. I'm not going to put any gems on it either. I think I'm going to try the ribbon. Let me see what I can do. 1, 2. I'm going to make a multi-loop bow. My favorite. 2, 1, 2. All right. Got that. I need my ribbon scissors. Set this out. Take these two and pull them up. I try to make it as even as I can when I start. It doesn't always work, but I do my best. All right. There's that one. And then that one. And I think I've got it. I'm going to put that there and hold it in place and tie my knot. Now I'm going to tie my knot, but I'm not going to pull it tight till I see if it's centered, and it is, because you can pull it and adjust it if you need to. All right, and then I'm going to cut it. Okay, pull my 2 ends, my 4 ends, I should say, down here. All right, and I need a glue dot. So I'm going to try to get the back off and leave the glue dot on the paper. And it worked, yay! All right, so there's that. Now I have to decide where I want it. Probably should have done that before I put the glue dot on there. You know what? I'm going to put it right there. And then I take my loops and I pull one up and one down. Then I go to the next 2 loops. One up, one down. So I'm kind of separating them. All right, like that. And then I do the other side. One up and one down. Then the next 2. One up, one down. There's that one. Okay, I'm going to leave those. I wanted to get that straight. And I'm going to cut my tails. I do it different lengths so that it gives it some interest. And there's that. Now, let's put our butterfly on with dimensionals. I'm going to go one there. I'm going to flip this one around and put it on like so. I try to put it down the middle of the body because then I can kind of pop up the wings. All right. And he's going to go here. And I just kind of bend them up a little so it looks like they're in flight. And I'm going to do the same thing here, but I'm only going to use one dimensional because he's a small guy. All right, let me get all this stuff out of the way. And he's going to go here, and I'm going to bend him up like so. And there's today's quick and easy card using Lavender Blue Journals download. And I took some of this because this was a bigger panel that I had cut off, and I used it with a layer behind it for the inside of the card and one for the outside of my envelope. I hope you enjoyed today's idea. Make sure you go check out Lavender Blue Journals Etsy shop to see what else she has. She has some gorgeous papers. Some Valentine papers are in there, so you might find something you like, and you know, you don't have to print it all out. You pick and choose what you want. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Click that button below. Have a fabulous Friday. Bye.